Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're joining for the very first time, this is the place where you would come to hear all things motivation, money, marriage, and motherhood. This week, I'm going to be sharing with you the tips you need to be successful in breastfeeding. I have a few of my equipment products that I use, and I'm just going to share those with you. I'm not going to go into detail with all of them. I will go into detail, however, with the hands-free bra. So I'll just show you, first of all of the things that I use in order to be successful with breastfeeding. And then in the following videos, I will review all of them in detail. So the first thing we have is this little bad boy here. I hope you can see it. A lot of moms out there use the Hacker brand, but this brand works just as well. I got it from Amazon, and outside of the box it looks like this. So I'll show you what this is used for. I have this is a breast pad. I also have this is a nipple shield. I also have this cream here. I hope you can see it very well. It's like nipple cream, so I hope you can see that. This is nipple cream. And then I have this bad boy here. This is called a hands-free pumping bra. My hands-free pumping bra came in this box here, and it works really easy. I normally just put it on myself like this, zip it up. And if this were my pump, I would put this in my pump like this, and then easy peasy. The cool thing about this particular bra is that it comes with straps. So you could wear it as a normal bra if you wanted to, but to be honest, I'll stand up. It doesn't give you that much support. So it makes the boobs look kind of weird. The last thing I want to show you is that it comes apart like this. So you can adjust the sizes. This particular size is a extra small to large. Also, I would love to show you my bra. This bra is essential for nursing because it can come like right down like this. Bloop. So it attaches here, it snaps, and then you can snap it right down when you need to feed the baby in public. So again, each week I will review with you all of those details, how I use them, how to use them effectively. If you are considering pumping and breastfeeding your baby and you're going back to work, or you just want to pump, this will save you, because then you don't have to use your hands and hold the pump on. Your hands can be free to do whatever you want, but you will still be pumping milk. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to learn more about money, motivation, marriage, and motherhood, then please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see all about my home birth, you can check out these videos below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.